Good evening, sir. Could you please introduce yourself?
A very good evening. My name is Advocate Deepkanwar Singh. Presently, I am practicing at Punjab and Haryana High Court with a 4-year experience of practice. I started it from District Court Chandigarh 43. Then I entered the High Court practice, and I have been practicing since 2018. So, may I proceed further?
Thank you so much, sir, for coming for the questions. First question would be, what is your most important learning in your life as an advocate?
The most important and the most learning experience as an advocate is that, as it is a very famous quote, that the age of learning never ends. Each day, each month, and each year we proceed to a new learning. We have a lot of learning experience in the district court, in the judicial courts, and in the high courts. We go for filing the case, we go for drafting the case, we go for argument of the case. How we have to argue, how we have to file the case. If we are doing it by our own, then we learn it more better than being a stenographer or a draftsman preparing the case. So always remember, draft it yourself, file it yourself, and argue it yourself. The best learning experience is to do yourself whatever you can do.
That's great, sir. That was actually a very good answer and lovely one. So, second question would be, what is the change you wish to see in the Indian judiciary?
With due respect of the Indian judiciary, which comprises of, as I just quoted before, the judicial courts, the district court, and the high court and the supreme court. As such, I am none to quote any suggestion which can bring a change in the Indian judiciary, but even then, I will say there should be speedy justice, as a very famous quote is known to all the lawyers and all the citizens of India, that justice delayed is justice denied. Why should we delay justice? If we are delaying justice for a normal person, for a normal citizen, that it is equal to a justice denial of justice. So there should not be any denial of justice. Whatever the case comes to the court, there should not be so long hearings, so long dates, adjournment. There are 2 year adjournment. So the period of adjournment should be curbed to at least 2 to 3 arguments.
So, absolutely, sir. I second your thoughts. The last question would be, what message do you want to convey to the next generation?
See, every generation brings a change in itself. In the previous era, it was the very respectful advocates, very senior advocates. I have known to them and those advocates, Rajiv Atmaram, Hemant Gupta, Mr. Girish Agnihotri, they all were very renowned advocates. There are very good judges, not only practicing, doing judgeship at the High Court, in the Supreme Court, in the district levels also. So, my suggestion for the new generation is this, that come up with good ideas, draft the case yourself, as I just quoted before, argue it yourself, and try to bring justice to the normal citizens of India. हिंदी में बोलूँगा, न्याय करो लोगों के साथ, अच्छे तरीके से केस करो, ताकि हम उन लोगों को न्याय दिला सकें who are victims. That's all.
Thank you so much, sir, for your time. It was great to have you on the video. Thank you so much.